Hi everyone, I'm Umar Hamid Khan and welcome back to Safety Minds. Today we are talking about one of the most critical topics in construction safety, that's excavation. Every year, workers lose their lives in excavation related incidents that could have been completely prevented with proper planning and precautions. Well, what is an excavation? Let's start with the basics. Excavation simply means removing earth to create a trench, pit, or cavity. It might look simple, but the moment you start digging, you create potential hazards, especially when the trench goes deeper than 1.2 meters. At that point, the risk of collapse becomes very real. Well, what are the major hazards related to the excavation? Some of the most common excavation hazards include number one, cave ins, the most dangerous and deadly risk on excavation sites. Number two, falling materials or tools from the edge of an excavation into an excavation, maybe hitting the person. Number three, hazardous atmosphere like low oxygen or toxic gases. Number four, falling into an excavation, personals falling into an excavation, especially when edges are unprotected. Number five, utility strikes hitting underground cables or pipelines, which can prove very deadly. Understanding these hazards is the first step in controlling them. Well, what are the control measures that we can have at site to prevent those incidents? So, how do we keep excavations safe? So, here are some low key controls every safety professional should enforce at the site. So, number one, proper shoring, sloping. The sides of the trenches must be supported or safely angled to prevent any collapse. Number two, barricades and signboards should always keep people away from the edges and ensure signage is visible and readable. Safe access and egress, provide ladders, ramps for workers to enter and exit the excavation safely. Another one, utility detection. Use utility detection tools like cable avoidance tool, or you'll check the as-built drawings. Atmospheric testing for the deep excavations, check for oxygen levels, toxic gases. And another one, make sure that regular inspections are done on daily basis, and especially after some changes, let's suppose some rain or something. If the rain happens, we need to check the excavation again. Being in this field from last 16 years, I have first hand experience how quickly an excavation can turn from safe to deadly, sometimes in seconds. A small crack in the wall ignored for even a minute can cost a life. That's why on every site I worked, we treat excavation safety as non-negotiable. So remember, gentlemen, remember, guys, no hole is worth a life before you dig. Plan, inspect, and protect. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your team. This is basics. And this is Umar Hamid Khan, and you are watching Safety Minds, where safety isn't just a rule, it's a lifestyle. Share it with your team and see if it can benefit you. Thank you so much.